My video? Well, you already in it. We're at the Cheesecake Factory now. Came straight over here. So now we're about to eat. I don't know what I'm gonna get, but when I get what I'm gonna get, I'm gonna show it to y'all. And yeah, I'm gonna show you. Yours looks okay. Mine looks better. I'm playing.
And look how he's looking at you. That's remarkable.
Oh, why is giving me the stink eye?
It ran already. Oh,
Oh. Hey y'all, so I don't think I got to talk to y'all like since I got here to Miami, but basically I am headed to my sister's cheer competition. I have some other things planned for today, but like what happened was that like I had to end up running errands instead, so like, you know, it didn't work out, but I'm all for spontaneity and like all the random things. So right now we're gonna go ahead, I'm waiting for my mom to come out of where she is right now, and then we're gonna head over to my sister's cheer competition. That's such a mouthful. I'm headed to my sister's cheer competition. After that, I'm headed to my sister's cheer competition, and y'all will see when we get there. So I'll talk to y'all when we get there, probably after that, because it'll be loud inside, but you'll see when we get there, like everything, and you know. But yeah, I'll talk to y'all later. I forgot to show y'all my little fit for her. Like, this is what I'm wearing. I'll probably like show it somewhere else, like fully, but I'm wearing this sweater and some jeans. Nothing crazy, sorry, nothing crazy, but yes, I'm trying to, you know, rep my sis with my spirit. But yeah, y'all, I'm just here, I'm playing around, but you know, yeah, I'm really excited. I love these cheer competitions every time I go. This is her last one because she's a senior, so you know how that is. I'm so happy to be here in Miami, y'all. Like, I missed being here, I missed home. Like, anyways, I hope y'all are having a great day, and talk with you soon. I should have brought my little tripod.
Take it, it's blazing. Watch me in amazement. You can look at
You did so good.
Cause I'm a beautiful wreck, a colorful mess, but I'm funny. Oh, I'm a heartbreak vet with a stone cold neck, yeah, I'm charming. All the pretty girls in the world, but I'm in this space with you. Calling out the lines they can't define. My fire was fake with you. Thought it was
At 360, let me see the fit. 360, period.
Thought it would stay with you. Like great escape.
So 5 of these stores and I can now find a dress for cigarettes.
Escapes with you. Lord, I count down to the clock, say you awake and walk away. But would you wait for me? I go out to the bar for a can and with the stars. Don't need another car, but you away from me. Oh, the pretty girls in the world, but I'm in this space with you. Colored out the lines they can't define. My fire was fake with you. Heart it will stay with you. Escape with you.
I'm alive, we're like diamonds in the sky. At first sight, I felt the energy of sun rays. I saw the life inside you shine bright.
Yes.
I can tell the story of how I've overcome. Dark were the days I didn't know the sun. Numb to the thought of love, and so I chose to run. But yeah, call me home, and so his will be done. There's hope for
I'm like a real tourist or whatever. It's so bright outside. Oh. Anyways, we're about to go eat. Okay, well, zoom out or something. I just wanted to try it on camp.
Thank you.
It tastes super pistachio-y. That makes sense. And it's like the butter.
Got your eyes.
Thank you. Wait. Thank you so much. Oh, yours looks so nice. I know. Oh my god.
Give me your sweet.
Oh, you gonna try it? The steak is so good.
I have Jake.
Oh.
I have my burrito.
We just packaged our stuff. Do I have my whole face in there? Is my whole face in there?
No, it's a kind of cup. You gotta have it. Yeah, there.
Oh. It's still 6 minutes until it gets here.
I started walking.
Sir? Thank you.
That's what I got on my SAT. And that's what I got on the last one. I'm not even kidding. Study, guys. Study. Study salad. What is it called? Right here?
Yes. At the restaurant. Ooh. Oh my goodness. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa. What is this? No. This thing was cool. Oh, you're so right. Look at all the views. love being a tourist in my own city. You gotta open the next door. I can't hold my selfie stick, so I had to put it away. But he didn't say I couldn't record, so. Why did you come to the gift shop first?
Because it's really nice.
You wanna go look at the art?
Okay, let's do it.
Okay, so we're in the elevator right now. I'm just taking pictures of the elevator.
It's pretty. No, it says nude Mexican street corn. Coconut soy candy. This gives the vibe of algo fresco. Okay. Just coquito. Coquito. It smells really good. I know you like you a mug. All I do is put pencils in it though. Bitty bitty one. Ooh, wait. Because I might have to get this. This one smells so good. I can't even describe the smell. It smells like marshmallows. You little alligators. You see them? Boop. You gotta. Why are you knocking on it? Loosen the pressure. Period. This don't taste good. It's my second coffee.
This don't taste good. I'm gonna have to chug this because this is so nasty.
I'll be the judge of that.
So courteous. Just go up and down.
There's a little tuxedo on.
She's always, yeah. these oh. Until I let that come. Let's go. Say bye, Yanni. You waving? Say bye. Bye, bye, guys. See you next time. I lied, y'all. We taking a little short trip to Publix because I want something sweet. Go ahead. We're gonna see how much. Oh, they took away the scale, huh? I was gonna say, let's see how much we weigh. Okay, something sweet. Let's go to the big. I hope they have my faith, and they don't. You're right.
Seems like evidence of us straight met. There is no one I think of more than you.
Okay. Anyways, yeah, we're about to go and get some stuff. I'm hungry. We're getting tacos. So I'm getting tacos.
Tell me where to start, 'cause every time you smile, I feel tremors in my heart. I have a walk concern. I cannot get with you till my day comes. Here's what I'm gonna
That looks cute though. Like, you hear it though? The slur. I want to glow in the little flare though.
So basically right now, because I feel like I should give like a little rundown, we're getting Tiana's friend a gift, yeah. So we're just looking around here for stuff. Yay, we're done here. We're done at Hobby Lobby. I mean, we're done at Five and Below on my brain. So we're gonna go to Ross now, which is upstairs. I'm so sleepy and hungry. I want me some tacos so bad. Cough, 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 cough. I said cough, cough. Just trying to get your attention. But
I can't even eat right now.
wait. That's not funny though. Show them this day. Yes, we love it.
No.
Love it. Yay, we're here. She got a beef empanada, 2 beef empanadas. Very nice. And she made her own little sausage. And then here is, got 2 mahi mahi tacos and then 1 shrimp taco.